What's up, guy?
Hey, what's up, everybody?
So how you feeling, man? How are you feeling on the first day of Global Gospel Movement training?
I'm excited, man. I'm excited to go out there and, we just learned something about prophetic, so I'm excited to use that. You feel me? It's going to be amazing, man. God going to do some things in America.
Awesome, man. And what made you come out all the way from Miami to come over here?
Man, from Miami, from the MIA, you feel me? Like, I just had a passion for lost souls, man. Like, those people who never heard about Jesus, just come out here and preach. And, trying to get a ministry started. You know what I'm saying?
Cool, man.
That's about
Cool. And what growth have you already seen from the first 2 weeks with Agape? What growth have you seen in your life already?
I mean, already I just been, probably my character, I probably say, starting to be more disciplined. My character. It's probably so far. But I'm sure God gonna continue to mold me and love and patience, all that good stuff.
Cool. Anything else you want to say?
I just encourage anybody watching this, you feel me? The next one's in January, so y'all better come.
Amen. Amen.